Okay, welcome to my biology class. So this is just a continuation from where we ended in our previous lesson. We are still looking at genetic stems. So today we are looking at codominance. What is this codominance? Codominance is a genetical clause in which both alleles are expressed equally in a phenotype. Both alleles are expressed equally in a phenotype. So for example, uh, here is total. Then we also have this side total, small letter, capital letters, small letter, capital letters. So when you cross those, you are going to have equal what? Equal offsprings. Okay, so you are going to have maybe pure two of them. Then the recessive toe also maybe there will be two. That is now equally, and that type of crossing is called the codominance. So this one is just the opposite of mono hybrid cross. Then we go to multiple alleles. Multiple alleles is where more than two alternative forms of gene at the same locus. Okay, so the good example that you can give is the blood group, which is being controlled by three alleles. One of them is A, I, B, and I. Okay, so there are three alleles being controlled. Control the what? The blood group. Then apart from that, multiple alleles, we also have sex-linked characteristics. So this is type of characteristic or traits that are carried on the sex chromosomes, just from the word itself, sex. So it carried on the sex what? Chromosomes. Then first generation. So first generation, this is a generation produced by crossing homozygous parent stocks. Okay, so this is a type of generation. I mean, the type of generation that is produced by parents that are both heterozygous. I mean, homozygous. That simply means a female parent has got homozygous. For example, if we're talking about Toto, that particular parent is pure Toto. Then the other parent also who is homozygous also, okay, that one is also pure Toto. So when they meet, those they are going to come up with the first generation offsprings. Okay, then we go to second generation. Second generation, this is generation produced by crossing two first generation. So two first generation now, those generations that have been produced from the first generation, now those two, you put them together, you cross them, you are going to come up with the second what? Generation. Okay, so these are some of the terms that are found in genetics as a topic. Okay, now I'm happy with you because you have actually understood them very well. So even as you'll be progressing now on variation in plants and animal species, you'll be able to understand the topic fully. But for your own information, it's very important to know these, not only for the sake of the whole topic, but know them as well, because sometimes this is how questions are being phrased. They will just bring questions on terminologies to define them and all that. So it's good that you have learned and you are going to master them. Thank you so very much for your attention. And the other thing before I go, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exclusive videos. Not only YouTube channel, which is named Pedagogy Learning. I'm also found on Facebook. I've got a page called Mr. A Plus Online Lessons. Then there's also TikTok there. Those are some of the platforms that I'm found. So make sure you follow them, you subscribe to them so that you can have more knowledge academically. Thank you so much.